Okay, sure, MrBeast can create Feastables and go head-to-head with Hershey's to the point where he's asking his fans to make more room on the shelves so that Hershey's has less space and Feastables has more shelf space, and he causes an internet stir. But are you kind of afraid that your full-time business or side hustle can't have great success in its own way because the market you want to compete in is saturated? That's okay. Learn a few tips taken from MrBeast on how to stand out in an overcrowded marketplace. And no, you do not need MrBeast's bankroll to pull this off. Instead, use the principles that Jimmy Donaldson used when he launched Feastables so that you can leverage your own free organic content marketing to win market share from your competition and get sales at their expense. Tip 1. Find your blue ocean. Good news, bad news time. Good news? If a market is saturated, meaning it's super competitive, then there's a big demand for the product, service, or offering in a given niche. So you're not wasting your time creating an offering that no one wants if you want to do business in that saturated market. Bad news? You've got a lot of competition. What to do? Move out of a red ocean into a blue one. What's that mean? Look at MrBeast. It's as though he took a page directly out of the business classic book, Blue Ocean Strategy. Instead of Feastables hanging out in a market so competitive it's practically bloody, the red ocean, Feastables navigated its business concept into less competitive waters, the blue ocean, by finding an untapped market and focusing on that. Per its marketing, it's not just another chocolate bar, like, for example, Hershey's. It's a simple and clean bar made of only 5 ingredients, including grass-fed milk. Be smart like MrBeast and his team if you're going to be an entrepreneur. Entering into a saturated market and trying to be yet another version of what's already there, you're going to drown in a bloody red sea of pre-existing competition. The world doesn't need a Hershey bar knockoff. And star power like MrBeast, sure, that can help a product sales surge in the beginning, but if the offering's bad or just another version of the same old thing, it's gonna fail sooner or later. Feastables was never supposed to be a Hershey Bar Jr. It had more of a unique value in the chocolate niche. It's a bar that includes a simple and clean formula. It's a bar that is gluten-free, has less sugar than the competition overall, and is easier on the stomach for many. What can you do with your business's offering so that it stands out from the crowd of competitors who are largely just being knockoffs of each other? Tip 2. Upgrade the product. What makes MrBeast's Feastables an upgraded product is what makes it stand out in the crowd of chocolate competitors. When given the choice between a Feastables ingredients list like this and a traditional chocolate bar's list of ingredients like this, it's clear a chocolate lover will enjoy an upgraded product if they choose a Feastables bar over, say, a Hershey bar. When content marketing makes it clear that a product is an upgrade over the everyday fare, customers will choose the upgrade. Content marketing about Feastables communicates about the upgrades, like the bars containing grass-fed milk and other healthy whole food ingredients. The competition's bars often include processed sweeteners, artificial flavors, and milk from conventionally fed animals. What can you weave into your content marketing about your offering so that it communicates to your ideal customer that it's an upgrade they deserve? Tip 3. Upgrade the experience. MrBeast knows that if you want to titillate today's consumers, you must give them an upgraded experience that's fresh when they check out your brand and shop it. Otherwise, boring. Look at the Feastables website. Immediately are asked if you want to join the crew for exclusive giveaways, insider access, and VIP updates. Everything's eye-catching, and the homepage leverages scarcity to increase the desire to buy product by announcing that a flavor is sold out. They offer order tracking. Nice touch. Now, at a website like Hershey's, the experience kind of has that ladies' home journal circa 1983 feel. No pop-up invitation to join their movement. No order tracking. You do get Recipes and baking tips. If you're an older person, this is the brand for you, maybe. If you're young or young at heart, MrBeast's Feastables website and products wins you over. What can you do to upgrade the buyer experience when they visit your site? You can tell yourself that only big influencers like MrBeast can succeed because they have mega huge followings, but you don't need that to have a profitable business. You can go up against big competitors and win sales by standing out from the herd, using content marketing, speaking to your ideal customer in a way that resonates with them. Make an offer to them that the competition can't make with an upgraded product that has a unique yet important spin on it that your ideal customer cares about. Small brands can and do leverage their uniqueness to grow into giants. Look at Burt's Bees. It was launched by an artist and a beekeeper. Burt's Bees left the red ocean of everyday skincare products for a blue ocean of natural skincare products that healthy living advocates and eco-activists love. That difference and the messaging about it took them from tiny to mighty, and that can happen for you too if your content marketing has you stand out instead of blending in. Subscribe for more videos about how you can market more like you were a major influencer. And in the meantime, here's a video I already did showing how, by ethically stealing MrBeast's product launch strategy for his Feastables bar D's Nuts, you too can have content marketing that converts better and sells out your product fast.